Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch, the whole peculiarity and key focal point of this cryptographic money is the programmability and capability as decentralized finance collection specialist organization 1inch Trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. Execution of tasks under unambiguous circumstances to guarantee ease of use, security, and usefulness. 1inch has acquired remarkable importance. Before we start with itemized 1inch cost forecast, really look at the outline. 1inch that makes all the difference. 1inch disseminated numerous tokens, be that as it may. The local token 1INCH became renowned as an administration and utility token, and 1INCH cost figures related news began circling on the lookout. The most significant variable that impels development is the cost of the 1INCH token, making the speed and reasonableness that empower speedier execution upgrades bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging tracking down the best arrangements across numerous decentralized trades, DESs. 1inch partnerships. Once the 1inch extended to Binance, there was rivalry among opponents to trade through 1inch in view of token cost. As said by Sergey Kunz, co-pioneer at 1inch Network, right now the 1inch aggregation protocol is as of now sent on Polygon, while the 1inch liquidity protocol and the 1inch governance protocol are supposed to extend over to Polygon in the impending not many weeks. Such trading empowers a holding, an association for blockchain with Ethereum, and merchants getting to 1inch by means of others like Polygon benefit monstrously. Clients likewise benefit from this trade chain of wallets to store their resources in light of token cost. The 1INCH simulator. The previously mentioned move of trading digital forms of money gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Curve, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon are focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the principal Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized details to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1INCH can be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In view of our 1INCH cost forecast 2022, the token could cross $0.161. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost guess for 2026 is $0.0555. As indicated by our 1INCH cost expectation 2022, the token will be around $1.84 toward the finish of 2022. Also, by 2026, it could exchange around $2.47. Beginning 2022, 1INCH ought to show incredible potential, and the determined least cost of 1INCH could be around the $5 mark. The 1INCH cost could arrive at somewhere near the $5 to $10 mark in the following couple of months according to our cost gauge. At the hour of composing this crypto cost conjecture, the ongoing cost of 1INCH is exchanging around $1.28, and information demonstrates that the token has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year, with a circling supply of 412,981,641 INCH. The 24 hours volume has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost conjectures bring a few factors into account, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. 1INCH price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that 1INCH is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the diagram, it is clear that 1INCH also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it a significant speculation. 1INCH price prediction 2023. Going by the investigation of short and long-haul cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for 1INCH cost for acceleration, particularly with other crypto rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the outline. There is a determined possibility of 1INCH causing a misfortune, yet just pitiful, dropping to $4.40. 1INCH price prediction 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is gauged that 1INCH would run the crypto realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the vary that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1INCH can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, in contrast with other cryptographic forms of money like BTC and DTH. 1INCH price prediction 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as 1INCH coin cost is anticipated to outperform $6 definitely. Principally on the grounds that this year, no critical elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is guessed that the greater part of the harm done to the coin would be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. 1INCH price prediction 2026. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started with a 1INCH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Consequently, it has helped the market feeling peculiarity definitely. Merchants and investors have begun wagering on the long run for the 1INCH development, following its worth intently as a speculation choice. Consequently, the 1INCH cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very reassuring, expressing that the cost can leap to $6.20 by December. 1INCH price prediction beyond 2026. Master merchants of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain as opposed to present moment because of the component of instability. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect to circle back by 1INCH token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would develop dramatically, by when 1INCH would be not anymore